We have a Toyota 4-axis vertical machining center model FV 1165, serial number 12046. Machine was new in 2012. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC OIMD 4-axis control. You have a TROYKE rotary table with a 10-inch chuck on it. Right now we're running the spindle. The spindle is 500. In the lower range, the spindle goes up to 6,000 RPM. It's a Cat 50 heavy-duty spindle. 1,000 RPM. Again, it goes up to 6,000 RPM. You have a T-slotted table, 51.2 by 25.6. We're in the high gear with 2,000 RPM. We're going to go up. You have 43.3 inches of X travel, 25.6 of Y, and 23.6 of Z. 4,700 RPM. Nice and quiet. Going to do a tool change, I suppose? Okay. You have a side-mounted tool changer, 30 position. 30 pockets. Do it again. Okay. Gonna run the axes around. Machine also has a chip conveyor as well as dual augers. And the machine is equipped with through spindle coolant. That's your Z, your Y, X, and B. Okay, you've seen it all. Hey, thank you for watching our video.